Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by ruling out simple hardware causes. First, power down both devices, then reseat the HDMI, display port, or USB-C cable firmly. Loose connectors often cause flicker. Once done, visually inspect the cable and port for bent pins or kinks and swap in a known good cable to isolate the issue. Make sure to test the monitor with a second computer or laptop so you know whether the problem is the display itself or the video source. Next, focus on settings and drivers, because mismatched refresh rates or corrupt drivers commonly cause flicker. Open your display settings and select the monitor's native resolution and the recommended refresh rate. Changing between 60 Hz and 144 Hz can reveal the culprit. Update or reinstall the GPU/display driver using Device Manager or the manufacturer utility, and temporarily disable hardware acceleration, game overlays, or video enhancement features since they can interfere with rendering. Make sure to reboot after driver changes to apply settings cleanly. Finally, address power and firmware because unstable power or outdated firmware can produce intermittent flicker. Perform the monitor's factory reset, then check the manufacturer site or on-screen menu for firmware updates and apply them carefully. Try a different power outlet and swap the power cable or adapter to rule out supply issues. If flicker persists after these steps, document when it happens, what inputs you tested, and contact manufacturer support or pursue warranty service so a technician can inspect or replace the panel.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.